Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia vehicle. Practically it could be any Kia vehicle guys. If you guys hear clanking noises when you change gears going from park to reverse then drive and backwards guys, and you hear clanking coming from the engine bay, stay with us, we will explain what most likely causes that guys. Before we start, let me tell you, we'll be demonstrating on Kia Optima, but it should work on almost any Kia guys, and it may apply to some models such as Kia Optima, Forte, Kia Sportage Sorento, and Kia Rio as well. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So, let us guys tell us a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We try to take them completely apart and show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Something else, if you need to buy parts, tools for your Kia vehicle, we'll share the links in the description of the video below where we get all our tools and parts from. Check it out, parts for really good price and quick shipping as well. In addition guys, if you want to save even more money and learn how to fix your car for free, check out our main channel, Auto Repair guys. You can find so much helpful information that can save you thousands of dollars on future car repairs guys. We have helped more than 100 million people on this channel. So let's start on it now. So specifically guys, we have that Kia right here that develops quite a bit of clanking, okay, when shifting gears, when changing gears. So what can easily guys cause that now? Okay, let's explain now. Extra engine movement. Okay, your engine should move a little bit when you change gears, that's normal. From going to reverse to drive because you change the direction of power to the CV axles. But when it starts going crazy, more movement, that will guys cause clanking and banging, and that could be caused by multiple things. Now let's explain what keeps your engine up in the bay and fixed in one place. You have 3 engine mounts on most Kias, some will have 4. One is right here, this is known as a passenger side engine mount. It keeps the engine up and it eliminates vibrations being sent to the body. You have another one which is down there, okay, that's a transmission mount. It keeps this side of the engine, the transmission, up, and it eliminates vibrations as well. But if any of those break guys, that can cause that clanking. But the most common reason for clanking, okay, let me explain now. I'm going to come underneath to show you what it is. Okay, just give me a second to crawl. It's guys, if you have that torque strut mount to be bad, okay, that can cause that easily guys. We have it disconnected, it's like having a bad mount. You can see it will allow that movement and also banging as well. Those mounts, they often go bad in the bushing right here and on the back side, okay, they can develop a malfunction there as well. But we will guys definitely recommend to check this one and the other two mounts as well, because sometimes if that one was out, okay, the other one took more stress and they could be bad as well. Now something else guys, I would recommend to replace all 3 at the same time, because if one went out, most likely the other engine and transmission mount will go out soon as well. And if you want to see how to do it, we have the video on the channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.